What's the difference between a food chopper and a food processor? Sleek choppers offer small footprints and portability, while powerful food processors can handle higher capacities and more blade attachments. But the differences don't stop there. KitchenAid food choppers help you save time and get great results. Perfect for everyday meal prep, choppers have a countertop-friendly footprint, so it's accessible when you need it. Quickly chop, mix, and puree the ingredients you use daily, from chopping onions to making breadcrumbs. With a stainless steel blade for chopping and pureeing, a drizzle basin to add liquids while processing, and dual speeds plus pulse control, there's a lot you can do. Plus, the work bowl is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. With food processors, you'll get precision slicing, speed control, secure seals, and more. And with their limited footprints and capable motors, owning both a food chopper and a food processor is the ideal situation for many passionate kitchen makers. So whether you're crafting hors d'oeuvres for your next dinner party, toppings for taco night, or homemade purees for your little one, you can compare our KitchenAid food processors to ensure you have the right capacity and features to manage what you're making. Explore versatile choppers, powerful processors, and more at KitchenAid.com today.